Only on 13 News Now, an accused killer is now a free man. A Portsmouth judge dismissed his first-degree murder case before the jury even had the chance to deliberate. Tonight, we investigate why. Jamal Cannon, accused in a 2022 Portsmouth murder, is now a free man. It's all thanks to an objection made by Cannon's defense attorney Michael Massey Wednesday during the first day of trial.
The first issue that came up would have been the testimony of the witness, and that's when I objected to the witness's testimony because they did not comply with the rules of court.
At issue is this witness list from the Commonwealth's attorney's office. It omits the address of the key witness for his own protection. Massey claims prosecutors missed the deadline for explaining why the address was omitted, and Judge Ken Melvin agreed, ultimately dismissing the case.
And he did not simply dismiss the case, he dismissed the case with prejudice. And so there's no mechanism for them to bring the case back.
But that's not stopping Portsmouth Commonwealth's attorney Stephanie Morales from trying. Her office filed this brand new motion today asking for the judge to reconsider the dismissal. It argues the prosecutor did everything by the books and that the court's ruling was, quote, erroneous, contrary to the law, and has resulted in a fundamental miscarriage of justice.
I am not a finger pointer. I frequently, hear about instances and opportunities for improvement because no one is perfect. But when it's time to stand up and say something because we could potentially have a safety issue, that is what this office will do.
You're saying in no way did your attorney drop the ball in this case?
That motion speaks for itself.
The motion states the Commonwealth may redact the residential address, telephone number, email address, and place of employment of any witness or victim if they meet certain conditions. Massey argued to the judge that the prosecutor had to actually submit this witness list at least 21 days before the trial, which explained why the address was omitted. But he says the prosecutor missed that deadline, and ultimately the judge agreed and dismissed the murder case.
None of us are perfect in law, but if we're going to be better, we have to learn from the mistakes that we make because all of us make mistakes from time to time. But you're never going to get better if every time there is an error, then there is an excuse for the error.
This is the second case in a month that a Portsmouth judge has dismissed, citing issues with the prosecution's discovery. We'll let you know what the judge decides in this case.